Are you struggling to keep up with your social media schedule? What if you could turn one document into a full week of high impact posts in seconds? Today, I'm showing you the ultimate shortcut using Gemini Gems to build your own personal AI content strategies. We will automate everything from 7-day content plans to custom AI generated images, reducing your workload and skyrocketing your workflow. Let's get started. Okay, how do we automate our social media content creation using Gemini Gems? The first thing we're going to do is to be able to access Gemini Gems through Google Gemini. You go to the upper right hand side there. If you have your Gmail account, you open your Google Chrome, then you come to this place. You can see Gemini here. You click on Gemini. Then it brings you to this interface. You can toggle this sidebar. You can also open it. Or at times, it's possible you see gems here, but if you cannot see it by the left-hand side, you click on settings. You can see here, you can see it here. You can see gems. You click on gems. Okay, these are gem manager. Some of it are under experimentation. Gem made by labs. These are other gems made by labs. Then you come down here, you can see by the right hand side, you can see new gem. You click on it, then it asks you give your gem a name. Okay, let me say social media content plan. Okay, social media content plan. That is it. You can say describe your gem and explain what it does. Okay, generate social media content plan. Okay, generate social media content plan weekly. Okay, then you come down here, it tells you example. Okay, instruction. You have to include instruction. You click on this instruction. Okay, you will say, based on the attached information provided, generate a content plan from the documents attached. Like repetition, don't mind your English. Okay, attached. Okay, this is what I want to do. All you need to do is just to give Gemini Gems the idea of the weekly content plan you want to be creating. It's based on, because the document that you have, the information you want to post. Let's say, for example, we have a financial document that you will upload at the end of the day, and it's going to create a content plan based on that financial document to optimize your social media content creation on a weekly basis. So it now gives us the opportunity. You can see this link. Use Gemini to rewrite the instruction. It's going to help you rewrite the instruction. I'm going to click on it now. Okay, we have it now. You can see now. You can see act as a social media plan strategist. Your objective is to extract key information from user-provided documents, yes, or text, and synthesize it into a high-impact professional social media campaign for 1 week. Yeah, create a comprehensive 7-day content schedule derived from the source material. Yeah, that's what I want. Behavior and rules, source analysis. Thoroughly analyze the attached document or information provided by the user to identify core professional insight. Yeah, that's what I want. Content plan generation. Structure the output chronologically from day 1 through day 7. For each daily post, include the following components. Platform, recommend the most relevant social media platform. Text post, image prompt, a detailed description of an image that complements and enhances it. Yeah, maintain a consistent, authoritative, and you can see now. Okay, strategic output. Ensure that the content is adapted to the strength. Okay, you can see this is what I want. This is what I want. Okay, this is what I want. Let's save it. At the right hand side, you can decide. You can click on save, and this is the document I will be uploading. Yeah, because the document is on personal guide to work towards financial freedom, and that is what I want to be talking about. That's what I want to talking about for the rest of the week. And I have the information here. What I'm going to do, you can see Gem social media content plan has been created. You can see what I'm going to click on start chart here, or I go here and click on start chart. So now I have created my AI assistant for daily content creation. What I'm going to do is to upload that document. The document I just showed you, okay, is on financial freedom. I'm going to click on submit. You can see here is a comprehensive 7-day social media content strategy crafted from the provided TrueView financial playbook. Okay, you can see the 7-day campaign strategy roadmap to financial freedom. We have it here. You can see now day 1, foundation and mindset. The platform is LinkedIn and Instagram. Okay, text post, true financial success isn't strictly a reflection of the size of your paycheck, whether you are navigating. You can say this is just nice. And in the document, it shows you where it got the information from that same document. You can see we are not using ChatGPT to just get random information. And as you're ready to take control of your world, explore a holistic approach. You can see at the website, you can see the hashtags provided and the image prompt also. You can see the image prompt, a clean corporate yet modern split screen graphics. It provides the image prompt for that text post. So you don't need to be designing. You don't need to design image. You don't need to design. You don't need to be a graphic designer. Day 2, optimizing cash flow, and almost the same thing. Day 3, you have day 3. Day 5, you can see now that we have the text post. Okay, now that you have your content plan created and you have an image prompt, you can just copy this image prompt, go to new chat. Okay, Google Gemini also generate image. You click on this plus, you can see create image here. You click on create image. Yeah, you can decide to choose the template that you want, or you can just go ahead, describe your image, then you paste it here, then you click on submit. Creating your image. Yeah. Okay, we have the image already. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. You have the image already. You can see, you click on it. Whoa, this is nice. This is good. You can just download the image here. You can decide to suggest in the aspect ratio that you want Gemini to create the image. So this is how to automate your social media content creation, to use Gemini Gems as AI assistants to reduce your workload and also increase your workflow.